Welcome back, another destination modified video, working on the 350 again. This time, Black Friday came in clutch obviously. Got white line front and rear anti-roll bars, all the links and everything. Finally going to actually put brakes on it, because we missed it at the start of the video, but when I was bringing it on the ramp, I went straight into the wall. I forgot that brakes fell off, came off the wood and just...
It was fucking hilarious.
Surprised the wall's actually still there. There's a crash bar though, doing fantastic. Anyway, other than that, so we're going to get this rebars in and done. Brakes, just went for an OE pageant discs. I'm not really sure on if I'm just keeping these stock brakes or if I'm going to upgrade them at some point, so that's why I've done that. And I've just went for EBC yellows with pads. Also got in the Goodridge braided brake lines, Moto RBF 600 brake fluid. Not that's going to get done today, and I've still actually got to make brake lines because some of them are made, the front ones are, I need to make them, and then I need to make the ones that go into the Callum. And also paint the calipers. That won't be today, obviously. But we'll get on with this, we'll do a kind of, not a fitting tutorial, because I'm pretty sure these cars have been on that long, there's plenty of it. We'll just let them fit them, and hope you enjoy the video.
Give it time, I know that I'm not easy. This cold heart of mine, she really took a beating before you. You stuck through blizzards, winter nights with you. Now I'm blooming just for you, for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do for you. There's nothing I wouldn't do.
So, it's just me again with the camera and my 350. Finished a bit later than we planned, again, as usual, last night. So, Callum's away to get a tattoo because he's inconsiderate. But it is what it is, I've just left him alone. So we got all the white line anti-roll bar kit and everything on, all the links and bushes and such like. Quickly, I'll do a quick. I don't know if Callum got any videos of them last night with them actually on. But today we're going to do all the brakes. So I'll do I'll do some kind of clips of the brakes all being done. The calipers then are getting fully, they've already been all stripped and rebuilt with new seals and pistons, so I just need to actually paint them and make up some new rigid brake lines and put on the Goodridge braided hoses. So we'll do all that today. Hopefully that'll be this video. So yeah, forgot to show you the anti-roll bars. So this bit, obviously all new cameras. I am. Which tells me you need them for this camera. Anyway, so all new anti-roll bar are on. So they look pretty decent. Front as well. Front one's a big thick boy, but they're all on. So the front end, obviously the full underside's restored, mainly the back end. The front, the plan is to do some sort of, plan is to do a single turbo build, but obviously it's going to be kind of next year. This year, well, we're basically almost in next year, but this next year's kind of season of shows and stuff will be just have it on the ground and have it looking good, and then we'll do the turbo build next year. So turbo build next year, at that point when I've got to remove all these frames and everything, all these frames, arms and everything, they'll all get like replaced with either upgraded or OE replacements with all new upgraded bushes and ball joints and such like. And all these frames then will be sent away like the back ones were, and blasted and powder coated. And so the engine's going to come out anyway, and I'll get that all really cleaned up and what have you. But it's a major job, so again, that's why I've just focused on getting the car solid, the exterior and everything done. The interior will also be done before show season, and then next year turbo build, and then we'll probably do something daft again with the build. But yeah, I'll keep you updated with the brakes, and we'll go from there.
I've been in and out my mind since I hit your phone. I've been counting up the times that I did you wrong. I just want you by my side when I get real gone. Feel it's been a little while since we got along, yeah. We've been playing stupid games, the situation rotates, and they say communication, safe relations, okay. Medicated how I'm patient, wasting time ain't the way, cause I can see it on your face.
So we now have brakes. not had them for a while. Well, still not really got brakes, just got them on. Discs are on, handbrake never adjusted. We've put all the braided lines, and everything now on. The lines I originally ran, the new copper lines to this bracket. Not got it attached yet because the caliper, that attaches to a bracket on the caliper, but they are currently over there. And same as the front, this on again. This little fella, as to be expected, is rounded. So I wasn't planning on replacing these lines, but now I'm gonna. But that'll have to just be run out of time again. So we have to do this in another video on this finished product with the brakes. But again, the braided lines run from here right up around in this block, and then there's a brake pipe right to make from here round to the caliper. And the brakes have actually came out pretty sweet, to be fair. So a couple of lines I need to actually make from here to this bracket, and from here to this bracket, and then the ones from the front onto here. But yeah, they actually came out pretty tasty, if I do say so. I've just kind of gone for like a gunmetal grey, just like a kind of neutral colour, because my wheels are quite like an out there colour, so I didn't want to go too many different variants of colours. And I've chose the wrap, the actual proper colour now, and I'm just getting it done professional this time. Not that it actually came out all too bad when I done it, but there's just certain bits I'm going to send to the body shop and get dings and dents and that pulled and stuff like that first. And I have all like the kind of time attack rear diffuser. I've also ordered a spoiler, but again it'll be like a very much a one-off because it's going to have to be fully custom made. It's actually from BMW. It's an aftermarket item though, and it's full carbon with billet aluminium like legs and such like, but we're going to have to make billet aluminium feet so we can bolt it to this tailgate. But yeah, so that'll all be done. The wrap is kind of going to be more in probably March time when the weather gets a little bit better, just because the wrapper said it's better for the vinyl to adhere and easier for him to work with. And we're also the same colour as the wrap. I'm going to get them to make the decals for the brakes, so it'll say the Brembo again, but it'll be in the same colour as the wrap. Just small touches that I think will look a bit better. Again, there's not been much done because of the fact that them brake hoses at the front aren't going to come off, so I was hoping to get everything put on, the new brake lines made up. For the calipers they're easy enough, but the bigger ones go right to the ABS pump, so there's a fair bit to get off to get to them. So I'll have to just do that another day. That'll probably be next weekend's video. But for the time being, that's us on this one. Hopefully it's not all too exciting, but hopefully it gives you an update on the car. And hopefully you can stay tuned to see the actual rest of the progress. Yep, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, stay jolly.